This is for 7.1 Insight Learning Activity for the 5 things that I've learned from this class. First is what globalization really means. Globalization is the spread of technology, products, information, and jobs across national borders and cultures. This widespread exchange of all types of goods benefits societies greatly while also hurting others. Globalization is a very complex process that has been going on in our world for a very long time. The second one is, why are global citizens important? Well, first, a global citizen is someone who identifies himself as a member of the world, not just a member of a state or a country. They consider themselves a member of the human race, and they use that advantage to fix world issues. With more global citizens, we can demand change from our leaders, and we're living in an age that loves global citizens. The third biggest thing that I've learned in this class is how to be sensitive to different cultures. Being sensitive to different cultures is really important when you're planning on traveling abroad. I've learned that everywhere is a little bit different when it comes to their customs and how they operate in business situations. And we should be aware of those differences so that we can professionally operate with these countries. The fourth thing is how to carry yourself while doing business abroad. This has to deal with different etiquettes for wherever you're going. Um, you want to know those things so that you don't bring offense to the people that you're attempting to work with and you don't embarrass the United States. And the last thing, and probably the biggest thing that I've learned, is the different cultural models. So we learned about Hofstede and Trampanar's models, and they helped me to gain a better understanding of why people from certain countries act the way that they do. And I think this is one of the most important things that we learned, because if you learn the different categories within these cultural models, you can apply them to any country and kind of understand a little bit about more of their details, their thought processes, and everything like that. So those are 5 things that I've learned throughout this course that I thought were really important.